morning to the faves. Look. Look. Hi. Hi. Hi faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I don't know what happened this morning. When I say I don't know what happened this morning, I literally don't know what happened this morning. So, here's my dilemma. My phone alarm at 7:15 every morning. I soon talk to you. At 7:15 every morning, and then it alarm at 7:30, and I have 30 minutes to get Tyler ready, get myself ready, get Sarah ready, and out the house by at least 8:10. And listen, I woke up and I met Tyler at my door, and I'm like, snap, morning. And he said, Mama, morning, but I'm hungry. I said, you don't have breakfast yet? He said, no, I was in my bed. I have no idea when Babe leave the house. I thought Tyler was up because every morning Tyler is up before Babe leave and he will put him to have breakfast. So I really don't know what happened this morning. I'm gonna have to ask Babe what happened this morning. But we're here. Say morning to the faves.
Morning, faves.
Heading to school.
December.
What you gonna do at school today? What you told me you're gonna do at school today?
I'm going to talk English.
You talk English at school every Friday?
Yes.
That's what your teacher make you do to your class?
Yes.
So every Friday at school, his teacher told us that he uses Tyler to teach his classmates English. So he talk English to his friends on a Friday, so his friends can learn another language. That is so cool, and Tyler is so excited because he likes to be in charge. He likes to take control. So him doing English on a Friday is everything to him. So regardless of what happened this morning, I need to find out from Babe what really happened. But we are on our way to school, and the day must go on, the day must carry on. Princess is here, of course. She wake up 8 o'clock on the dot as usual. Once she know we're heading out to take brother to school, guarantee you she'll be up 8 o'clock, unless it's the even on the weekend. Now I realize that she wakes up at 8. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay productive, get your workout in, and enjoy the weekend and the rest of today's vlog. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And we are in these streets. She love gripping here. You guys, me and Sarah is here all morning, and to hell if this little girl would go to nap. She's fighting to sleep, fighting to sleep, fighting to sleep. All she wanna do is play. So play the champion, play the champion, play the champion. All you wanna do is play. All you wanna do is play. All you wanna do is play. All you wanna do is play with mama. All she wanna do is play. So we played. So mama can't get to do nothing but to play with you. Ow! Ow! Look at her. You see how much she's looking into the camera? This is the girl on camera. She knows the camera like nothing else. You love the camera too much, girl? Hmm? Tell the fibs, guess what? I am gonna eat yogurt today for the first time. You gonna eat yogurt for the first time today? And I gave her eggs this morning. Mama gave her some of her eggs that she was eating. Chunky, chunky. Chunky, chunky. This girl on the camera. I need to take me a little nap. I'm gonna try and see if I can nap with Sarah. But if I nap with Sarah, when am I gonna get things done around here? They always say, oh, you're to nap when the baby is napping. Girl, if I do that, when do I get things done? At what point? You tell me. You tell me. At what point do I ever get things done if I sleep when she's sleeping? Never. Diggy, 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 diggy. Dig, dig. Dig, dig. G G G G G G G G G G fat face. Oh, jump, jump. She loves to jump. Jumping, sexy legs. Ooh, look at the foot. Look at her feet. Ah! You guys, this morning I have luxury. My girl has been sleeping for more than an hour. I've been working now 1 hour and 5 minutes and she's still sleeping. That's just never happened. Normally she'd give me 20 minutes, 30 minutes max. And I got an hour plus this morning. That's God. That's amazing. So right now I'm still going to capitalize on my time. I'm not going to even sit and breathe just yet. I'm going to jump inside and see if I can wash my bathroom before she wakes up. And if I get that done, I shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah before she wakes up. Anyway, let go before she wakes. You guys, that was a task, but I almost get everything done, don't it? Until you wake up. Mama almost got everything done. I mean, not everything, but what I wanted to get done. Look what she's gonna eat. A yogurt. And the reason why I'm giving her the yogurt and nothing else is because I want to see if she's gonna have a reaction to the yogurt. Oh, this yogurt, I think you're supposed to throw it in something because the paper. Okay, so Mama gonna throw this out in here. Okay, so that way you can have it. Oh, look. Oh, voila. Yogurt. Her doctor also said I'm to give her orange juice in the mornings. So she can now have orange juice in the mornings, girl. So this yogurt is the one that have no sugar added. Should be interesting to see her face. All right. Good girl. She likes it. Good girl. Take your hand out of your mouth. Good girl. She likes the yogurt. Yay. We celebrate every little victory around here. Every little victory is an accomplishment for us. She likes it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. My pumpkin likes the yogurt. Oh. This makes me so happy. You guys have no idea. This makes me so happy. You guys, workout was bomb this morning. Now I realized that I don't have anything prepared for my lunch. But I'm looking at the Sarah lunch first. I'm giving Sarah something to eat first and see if she'll sit and play and let me go cook something, because nothing is here that is already made for me to eat. Yogurt, look at that. You like it, Mama? She's killing this yogurt, Okay, you guys, so I think we have a winner. We have a winner. My baby eat her yogurt and make a big burp like an old lady. Blah. And then she sucked it for a little bit. Let me show you the amount of yogurt she eats, the little bit that remain in the glass. Look, see that little bit in the bottom? And you guys see the amount of yogurt that was in here. It was this thing full. And what remained, about this much remain in the bottom. So that's good. That's good. And as of yet, there is no sign of allergy. Normally when Sarah is allergic to something, it comes like this. Once it reaches her stomach, the signs start showing. And as of yet, nothing. So yay! And her stomach feels full. Look full. Look at that. breakfast, lunch, salad. And for dinner, I'm gonna blend this to make some vegetable soup. Sweet potatoes there. And the rest of the chicken and shrimp in oyster sauce for dinner. Yeah, job here is done. Hey you, what are you doing in your bed? Hello? What are you doing? You're playing with your girl? You're playing with your baby? Baby? Look at your baby. You look mischievous. You guys, I am done for today. It's raining like crazy outside. Raining cats and dog. I had to go pick up Tyler in the rain. Everybody's home now.
Hey guys. Hey guys, well, good morning everybody, good afternoon and good night. Didn't see you guys from morning. Hope all is good. I was outside, I get catch by the rain, and that's not a good feeling. No umbrella, nothings, and just the rain to wet you.
He came home, he looked like a wet rat.
You know, when you reach home and you have to stay outside to take off all of your clothes and your shoes and all of these things before to step in. So yeah, that was today.
Here.
I just hope that
Sit.
tomorrow, but I think tomorrow and Sunday it's gonna be sunny, so we're gonna have a good weekend.
Let's hope.
You love your
Look at
papa.
Sarah.
You love your papa. You love your papa. Your papa love you.
Look at Sarah.
How was your day?
My day was busy, very busy.
You look tired. Well,
am
the
tired.
week have been very busy. A lot to do. I love you too. And yeah, hopefully we work hard all week to be able to do whatever we want to do on the weekend. We have a lot to do on the schedule, so yeah. You ready for the weekend?
You're ready for the weekend?
Yeah, I just have to write on a piece of paper everything that I need to do, not to forget.
Well, the fact that we don't do what we normally do on a Friday night, I mean the weekend is gonna be double busy, which I wasn't looking forward to. But babe get hold up because of the rain, and he didn't reach home until just now. Just finished eating dinner.
Never trust the French chain company. Never trust. They're either the strike or they're late. Never trust them.
Can we eat?
I just got Sarah ready for bed because she's gonna go down in a minute. So mission accomplished with Sarah yogurt today. She ate up all her yogurt. She even had some of my yogurt at dinner, and she ate up her food at dinner. My girl is ready for bed. Yes, Ty. And I pick up Tyler in the rain. What you want to say to the face?
Sing song.
You want to sing?
Yes.
Okay, come sit
But
and
it's
sing.
very far to stop.
It's a long song?
Yes.
Okay, come. Let Faves hear it before the camera battery die. Sing. You're gonna sing or
La
you...
galette des rois, j'ai trouvé devine quoi.
Sing now?
J'ai trouvé une fève au chocolat. Je vais l'ouvrir à Hélène. Je vais l'ouvrir à Hélène. Je vais l'ouvrir à Hélène. Dans la galette des rois, j'ai trouvé devine quoi. Une fève au porcelaine. Je vais l'ouvrir à Benoît. Je vais l'ouvrir à Benoît. C'est Hélène qui est la reine. C'est Benoît qui est le roi. Venez tous vous amuser, on va les marier. Venez tous vous amuser, on va les marier.